In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin an element to screen on Wix. So the first thing you need to do is to pull up your Wix website editor. You can access this by clicking on the Edit Site button on your Wix dashboard after logging in. Now, once you're at the editor, just look for the element that you wish to pin to your screen. So for example, I have this heading right here, which says blog post. Now all I need to do is right click on this element and then look for this option right here, which says pin to screen. So just click that. As you can see, you can choose the position where you want the element to be pinned to. So for this example, maybe we'll try on the top right section. You can also manually change the horizontal offset right here by dragging this button right here or typing in a specific number, as well as the vertical offset in a similar manner right there. Now, once you're done tinkering with these settings, just go ahead and close that. And as you can see, whenever I scroll down, the pinned element sticks to the screen no matter where I go on the page. And that's about it. That's how you pin an element to screen on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.